This is elevator number 1 at the University Club, University of Pittsburgh, Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is a thyssenkrupp-Marshall elevator installed by Marshall with vandal-resistant traditional fixtures. Blue LED called by white LEDs on the inside go to lower level. I really do not know what these were originally, but they're modernized by Marshall thyssenkrupp with traditional vandal-resistant fixtures. Slightly older mod though. Very sick buzz here at the lower level. Two through 7 are locked. Actually, 4 now works. 4 didn't work before. That's weird. Here are 4. We'll go back to the lower level. There's your pit ID reader. Elevator 1, ADA foam. Pretty nice cabs. I'm guessing they've been redone, but I'm not sure. There's your directory. Here we are back at the lower level. That's it.